Today, I'll be showing you how to impute attendance on your learning space on CloudNotte. And one thing I want you to note first, before a teacher or anybody will have access to impute attendance on their learning space, there is a setup that you need to do first, and I'll be showing you that setup right away. So let's get to it. First of all I need to do is to click on my report sheet, and right on my report sheet I'm going to click on more, and on more I'm going to click on next term begins. This is where I choose when the section closes, when the next section begins, the number of days school opens, and the rest of it. So let's just go ahead and impute these data. So I'm still going to be working with 122. And this is actually optional. Boarding school resumption date. Now, I can only use this if I operate on a boarding school system, but if I'm not operating on a boarding school system, I can skip this part. So for this, I'm still going to impute data in them. So once I'm done, all I need to do is to click on proceed. Now, this automatically saves my information on my database. Now, let's get to the next one. How do I impute attendance for students on my learning space? All I need to do now is to click on enter attendance. And once I click on it, I select the year, I select the term, I select the class. So I'll be working with JS1. Then I select the assessment. I'll be working with junior assessment, which is second term. And this is the list of all students in my class. And now remember, we put number of days opened, 120. This is where it's displaying. All these informations are going to display on the results once you publish them. So what I want you to do now is to go ahead and impute your data. So once I'm done, all I need to do is to click on save attendance, and automatically my attendance has been saved. This is going to appear on their result sheet when the result is published. So this is how you enter attendance on your learning space right on CloudNotte. See you in the next video.